Can you use someone else's viral content to make money online? Yes and no. There's a lot of people these days that are going to be advising you to use viral content from other creators and create your own channels, your own videos, and voila, you're going to be able to make money online because those things have already gone viral. They're already really well liked and well received. So you know you're going to get good views and you know you're going to get your channel boosted up very quickly. The problem is that there are so many copyright issues when it comes to creative content licenses that you need to know exactly what you're allowed to do and on exactly what platform. So you can use very short clips of someone else's content, movies, or music on certain platforms, but the rights and the usages vary depending on what platform you're on, and it also affects how you get paid. So in places like YouTube, if you use a viral song, if you use certain things like that, because everyone wants to use the viral and the most trending audio on TikTok. If you were to use that on YouTube, you're going to get copyrighted, which means that if you post that video and it gets tons of likes and views and things like that, you may still not get paid for that particular video. So using someone else's viral content is not a good idea if you want to make money online. Try to stick to creating your own content. You can use images. There are tons of websites where you can use free images and videos. Pixabay and Pexels and things like that do allow that. You can also use other websites where you can pay a bit to have the right to use that, but most of those sites even still will require that you change whatever you're using. So if you have a picture that you download from Pixabay and you use it on Canva for a pin or you use it for a video, you do have to add text, change some of it, crop it, edit it, or do some sort of thing to it to make it your own in order for you to be able to use it and have commercial rights, which means whatever you use it for, you will get paid for. If you don't make any changes to those, even on the ones that have the free usage rights on them, you may still get copyrighted and you won't be paid for the things that you think that you're going to be paid for. So you'll be creating all this content, creating your channel, and you're still not going to get paid in the end.